Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is hot and today is definitely a different setting. I am in my car, I'm at my mom's and I'm about to leave and go back to ours because we're moving. So I came to get some boxes here and then go back, and I'm gonna be packing and all of that. I'm gonna be packing by myself because Bay is like at work, and he's been at work for the past 2 weeks, so I think he's gonna be there for another two. So I have to I have to pack everything and move everything on my own. So I just want to put everything in boxes, and then only will I then get a moving company to move the stuff, because I feel like getting random people packing my personal stuff is just not my vibe. So I'd rather box everything up and then call them when everything is boxed so they can carry and then drop off at the next place. So that's basically today's video. Today's gonna be a vlog, definitely, of me packing and doing some stuff. I won't show you like the entire packing situation because I want to start and finish today. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Gugu Mkize. This one is for you. If you're already a subby, thank you so much. The subscribers are like increasing every single day and I appreciate that. Don't forget to like the video, share, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. So I hope you enjoy the video. Some of the parts will be like just me doing stuff, and some I'll talk you through what I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm finally back in the house. I'm using my phone. Yeah, this is better. I'm finally back in the house, and phew, the house is a mess. The other day I managed to pack like a couple of things, and I managed to pack my clothes and my shoes. I don't even know how to turn this camera around, but I need to have flip screen. I'll show you that. I finished packing all the stuff in the bathroom, like all my cosmetics and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you what the situation. And what is the time? I'm watching I May Destroy You. Let me see what the time is. It doesn't say. Hold on. It's 1:38. So I'm trying to be done at 6:38. So that's like 5 hours. I want to be done with everything. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Then I'm gonna get to it and then show you when I'm halfway. Once I'm at the halfway mark, and then when I'm completely done and I'm ready to leave the house. So this is what that looks like. That is me. And I put like a little lid on my Coke. I have a little bit like that, so I'm gonna finish it off. So I put all my toiletries and all of that. So some of my hair stuff, some of my face stuff, body, and all of that in here, in there, and this here is the bin, but it's empty, doesn't have anything. This I didn't put in because I don't have the lid, so it might spill, so I'll have to travel with that. That same story, this I'll put back in there, and then the soap, the toilet and stuff. This is my gym ball. I am undecided if I want to deflate it and then inflate it again, or if I just travel with it just in my car. That's some of Bay's shoes. I put all his shoes in there. That's my toiletry bag. That's my sports bar over there, and that's like a Coke bottle. We had used it for, I don't know how he did this. He tied this to this, which is the rolling thing, and then he like lifts it up like that. So that's why there's water in there. And then that, and then this is some of my stuff. I still have some sandals in there, in those boxes. Some of my hair stuff, my handbags, and all of that. That's some I'm gonna just keep close by because I'm gonna use tomorrow. Some of my books, a bag I haven't touched in a while, my purse and all of that, and then a little typo paper box. paper bag, sorry. I've taken out some of my stuff in here. This has got some stuff that I've already packed in. I think it's some of my packaging and all of that. This is from the cards. This is just to inflate your wheel if you get a flat. That's my printer and my foot spa thingy. And this is some of the stuff we have hanging. And then all the way up there this is actually the first time I've seen this in a while. We've got a spray there. I think it is sanitizer in there. And then the iron box. Those are base boots. There's some track boots. And then those are barcodes for shipping. Summer hat, a box of shoes, and those shoes there. Those aren't mine. Those are base shoes. What's happening in here? And then let's see. Okay, there's nothing in there. Good. That's my yoni steaming bowl. That's some of my stuff. Let's see what's in here. The Dream Doll Cosmetics banana powder is coming back, y'all, because I know you guys have been asking me about it. This is a sample that I was sent, which I didn't use at all. I didn't use it, but anyway. And normally what I do is I tend to give like samples and stuff like that to like makeup artists that are like still putting their stuff together and trying to get some coin. I usually do that with samples because then I'll just have too many. This is an ID book. I think this one is mine. That's my old passport in a cover. Just earphones and random stuff. And that's my universal plug for like gadgets I buy when I'm in China. Yeah, that's about it. So that's what's in here. So I need to do all of that. And then on this side, I already put one of the blankets in there, rolled up the carpet, rolled up my what is that, a screen. Those are my clothes. And I forgot to put that shoe in there, so I'll put it in there. That's my, is this one mine? I don't think this one is mine anymore because this one was my traveling one because I am obsessed with wee bears. So this was my traveling pillow, but somebody took it, so then I ended up buying this pink one. And then somebody discovered that this pink one is even more comfortable because it's got this instead of the nose, and took that. So I don't even know which one's mine anymore. The bed, I need to get rid of all of this. I moved the side tables and all of that. This is what's left. Let's see. And that's outside. The curtains I need to take down, as well as the lining behind it. That's another box of shoes. That's some dirty clothes. These are shoe boxes, as well as some of the shoes that we have that actually have boxes. This is some of the boxes I've packed. That's the living area. It's actually like the first time you actually see the place now that I'm leaving. The table and all of that. So I want to start with the room because actually I think I'll start here because I'm still watching I May Destroy You. And then that's outside. The kitchen is a mess, but I've emptied out the fridge, so I'm gonna clean the fridge. And I washed the dishes and I put them there, so I thought if I pack them, I'm gonna unpack them again. So yeah, that I don't know how I'm gonna get down, but we'll see. So that's what we're working with now, as you can see. And I've given myself some time to do it, 5 hours. And so I'm gonna stop now, and then I'm gonna get to work, and then come back again later and show you the halfway mark. 6:47, and geez, I've done a lot, but I'm not done. I didn't make it in the time that I thought I would, but I have very little stuff left. So in the hour, I think I should be done. I'll show you what I've done so far. This, I'm not gonna have space there because I'm gonna take out all my dishes, glasses, Tupperware, and all of that, and put it on the counter, because I don't have anything to wrap the dishes. I'm gonna put the dishes in a black container, so I don't have anything to wrap the dishes, so I won't be able to do that today. But all the non-perishables I've put in here, all the food that all the perishables, I've either eaten all of them, given them away. But what we did was we didn't buy groceries this month because we wanted to finish off what we had so that we don't have a lot of stuff that we give away or travel with. I hate traveling with like food. So that's what it's looking like. At most, the kitchen is what needs work. That's all done. These are empty, just the DSTV and all of that. There's nothing here sitting here. The top part of that is trash. I needed to get all the way up there to take that, so that's why that's there. The room is completely done. All that's left is the curtains, which I'll do last. Everything on the bed is out. That's the base comes with that suede thing, so that's there. All of that stuff is there. I do want to wrap this in this black plastic wrap because it's white and I don't know what will happen when we're traveling. Here's some of the stuff. The 2 irons I'll put in with other small appliances from the kitchen. Those are boxes. There's nothing there. All the, let me switch on the lights. Okay. Done. I don't have any. I wanted to put this stuff in. What you do is you scrunch them together. You put the plastic bag and then you put the top part together and then hold it like that. So I don't have black bags. So I have to get that. The top is done. The bottom is done. Top is done. Let's see what's happening in here. Done. All of this stuff is stuff, and there's more toiletries and all kinds of goodies. I'm actually gonna do a decluttering video because I realized that there's a lot of stuff that I haven't used in a while that's probably expired in any case. I should throw away. So all of that is done. That's me. I'm feeling a little bit cold, so I put on like a fleece blanket because I packed everything away. Yeah, that's it. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm gonna end the video because I don't want it to be too long. So I basically have the kitchen to do, and I'll probably be back here tomorrow. I'm gonna stay at my mom's because I don't want to be by myself and everything's packed in any case. So I'll be here tomorrow. I need black bags. I need newspaper. And what else do I need? I need to get those bed covers for those plastic covers for the beds, the base and the mattress. I need to get a cover for the couches, a plastic cover for when we move them, they don't get dirty. I also need 2 other bags for my curtains. So one bag for these curtains and another bag for those curtains. And then I reckon when I come and do that, then I'll clean the place up, do the windows, do the cupboards, my fridge, and everything else, and then I'll be done. So that'll definitely be part 2. Thank you so much for watching, and moving is a lot of work. Geez, these sounds are loud. Let me turn it down. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. If you have any tips on how to pack up a kitchen quickly and efficiently without breaking anything, then please do comment in the comment section and let me know what's what. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So tomorrow I'll probably come in early because today I like literally got here at like 1. So yeah, I'll arrive early so that I can be done in the afternoon. So yeah, thank you for watching.